Alright guys, so it comes with some hardware, these here, and this is the camera part. You connect it, it's like a magnet here. You just put it here and it is gonna clamp on here. And you connect this piece and put this screw in here. Comes with the Allen key. And this is the to go on the mount, to mount it on the back here. And these are the screws. This is the floodlight area, and you can take off this this here. Alright guys, so this is the outside of the house, the backyard, and that's the light over there. I'm gonna take that light off and put on that floodlight. This is the side of the house, and that's the driveway here. So and that's the backyard. So I'm gonna put it at the end of the house right there, so you can focus on that side over there and see a piece of the backyard. Alright guys, so I took off the breaker already, and I unscrewed this housing here. It's just two wires, the power and the other one. If you're not sure which one is the breaker, just and it's not labeled, just take one, put on the light, and just have someone check the light, and then you take one breaker off at a time, and whichever breaker you switch off and the light comes off, that's the one for this. But also double check it. I have a tester here. Sometimes when you turn off the breaker, there's still power coming from another wire or something. So there's no power here, as you can see. It will start beeping. And also switch off the switch also when you take off the breaker. Alright guys, so I put on this plate here, the backing plate for the housing, and then there's another one that's gonna connect on here with it, and I'm gonna screw it here, the plastic piece. So I just used the old bracket that was here, and I just used the screw to hold it, and put these nuts back onto the bolts, and use two of the new ones to screw on this bracket onto the plate that was behind here, because this is secure. And then I'm gonna connect the wires. Alright guys, just to recap what I did, make sure you read the manual. It's very simple to set up. Make sure you turn off your breaker. Like I said, there's only two wires to power the black and white, and use one of these testers. And these are the screws to use. This is the ground wire, but I used the one that the power the wire that was there already. And it doesn't come with these brackets, but they had brackets there, so I just mounted the plate on one of these, and used the wire nuts. Use some electrical tape, and follow the instruction, junction box, the plate, all this. Connect the camera, and then take out the QR code and put it on the other instruction, the blue instruction, and scan it, and it's going to show you step by step how to install it. Also, they have a good video on YouTube. And this hanger is to hold the when you connect this part, the floodlight housing, you can hook this on top here, and hook the camera piece on here to hold it up, so you don't have to hold it up when you're on the ladder. Alright guys, so I installed it here. This is the camera, the two lights. It's nice and sturdy. It's a little shaky, but it's on here. Good, tight, it's flexible. You can turn this camera, turn the light. I've tried it already, it's working. Now I'm gonna download the app on my phone and set the camera, like turn it where I want it, and turn the lights, like pitch the lights wherever I want it. This way it looks. Very easy to install. If you like the video, click like, thumbs up, leave a comment down below, share the video, subscribe to see more videos, and thanks for watching.